Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic differential equation. Question is given, solve the differential equation x dy minus of y dx into y sine into y by x is equal to y dx plus x dy into x cos of y by x. Let's solve the problem. Given differential equation is given differential equation is x dy minus of y dx into y sine into y by x is equal to y dx plus of x dy into x cos of y by x. We can also how to approach this type of differential equation. First we have to multiply the terms in the bracket x dy minus of y dx with y sine into y by x, and similarly we can also multiply with x cos y by x into y dx plus of x dy. So we have to write in here, first we have to multiplying with y sine into y by x with x dy. This gives xy sine of y by x into dy. Similarly, we have to multiply these terms with minus of y dx. This gives minus of y square sine of y by x into dx. Similarly, we have to also multiply here x cos of y by x into y dx. This gives xy cos of y by x into dx plus of here x cos y by x multiply with plus of x dy. This gives x square cos of y by x into dy, and further we can take dx, taking dx terms into the left hand side and dy is taken into right hand side. We have to write in here xy sine of y by x into dy, and from here plus of x square cos of y by x dy is taken into left hand side. This gives minus of x square cos of y by x into dy, and further we can also take here equal to xy into cos of y by x into dx, and from here minus of y square sine of y by x into dx is taken to right hand side. This gives plus of y square sine of y by x into dx, and from here we can also take dy from common from left hand side. This gives xy sine y by x minus of x square cos of y by x, and we have to take common from left hand side dy. Similarly, we have to take common from left hand side dx. We can also write here this is xy into cos of y by x plus of y square sine of y by x into dx, and from here xy sine of y by x minus of x square cos of y by x is taken to denominator of xy cos of y by x plus of y square sine of y by x, and dx is taken to denominator of dy. So we have to write here dy upon dx is equal to, here is xy cos of y by x plus of y square sine of y by x upon, this is xy sine of y by x minus of x square cos of y by x. And further from here we have to dividing both the sides, dividing here from, once again, dividing right hand side by x square, dividing right hand side by x square, we get, from here we can also write here dy upon dx, and dividing numerator and denominator separately with x square, we can dividing here with x square. This gives x to x is cancel out, this gives y by x cos of y upon x plus of here y square dividing with x square, this gives y square upon x square sine of y by x. Similarly, we have to dividing x square with numerator also, and from here we have to dividing xy with x square. This gives y by x sine of y by x minus, here we have to divide x square. This gives x square to x square is cancel out. This gives cos of y by x, and from here we have to solving further. Let y is equal to nu x, and differentiating y is equal to nu x with respect to x, this gives dy upon dx, and here v plus of x and dv upon dx. And from here, using the product rule of first and second, taking v is the first function and differentiating second function, this gives 1, and again we have to put second function differentiating v with respect to x, this gives dv upon dx. And further we have to put from here, we can also write from here, this is y is equal to nu x, so we have to write here y by x is equal to nu, y by x is equal to nu, and in place of dy by dx we have to put in v plus x dv upon dx. So this equation becomes, in place of dy by dx we have to put in here v plus of x dv upon dx is equal to, in place of y upon x here we can put here v cos of, here y upon x we can also put here v, this is cos v plus of y square upon x square. Here y by x is v, so we have to put here in place of y upon x, y square upon x square, this gives v square, and into sine, in place of y by x we can put here v upon, here we can in denominator y by x, in place of we have to put in v sine v minus of cos v. And further we can arrange here once again, we have to solving sine v minus of cos v. We can also write here, we can solving further, so we have to writing here x dv upon dx is equal to, here is v cos v plus of v square sine v upon, here is v sine v into sine v minus of cos v, and plus of v is taken to right hand side, this gives minus of v, and here we have to take a LCM, we get here x dv upon dx is equal to v into cos v plus of v square sine v, and taking LCM from here we get here minus of v square sine v and plus of v cos v upon v sine v minus of cos v, and from here minus of v square sine v and plus of v square sine v is cancel out, and v cos v and v cos v we get here x dv upon dx is equal to here v cos v plus of v cos v. This gives 2v cos v upon v sin v minus of cos v. And further we have to solve. We can arrange the terms. We can arrange the terms here. We can also write here dx is taken multiplying with this side. This gives, once again, this is dv, this is dv multiplying v sin v minus of cos v with dv. This gives v sin v minus of cos v into dv, and v cos v is taken to denominator of dv. This gives v into cos v, and further from here dx is multiplied with 2. This gives 2 dx, and x is taken to denominator of 2. This gives 2 dx upon x. And further we can also write here, this is taking v sin v minus of cos v, taking denominator v sin v upon v cos v, v sin v upon v cos v, and minus of cos v upon v cos v is equal to, here is, once again, here is dv is equal to 2 dx upon x. And further we have to solving, we have to writing here v to v is cancel out and cos v to cos v is cancel out. Then the remaining is here 10v minus of 1 by v, and this is dv is equal to 2 dx upon x. Integrating both the sides, this gives 10v into dv minus of dv upon v is equal to 2 dx upon x. And integrating both the sides, we know that integration of 10v dv is given by log of sec v, and minus integration of dv upon v, this gives log of v, and here integration of dx upon x, this gives log x. And here we have to take a constant here, log of c, and further we have to simplify. Here we can also write here, this is log m minus of n, using the property log m minus of n is written as log of m by n. So we have to writing here log of sec v upon v, and here is log. With the property of log, we can also write here log of x square. Here 2 log x, here 2 log x is written as log of x square. So we have to here log of x square plus of log c, using the property of log m plus of n log n. We write here log of mn. So we have to writing here log of x square into c, and from here log to log is removed. We can write here sec v upon v is equal to x square into c, and further we have to put the value of v here. Putting the value of v here, we have to put the value of v here. V is given y by x, so we have to put in place of v y by x. This gives sec of y by x upon, here in place of v we can also put y by x is equal to, here is x square into c, and from here we can also, once again, we can taking here sec v, log of sec v. We can write here sec of y by x multiplying, this gives x is taken to numerator, this gives x sec y by x, x sec y by x, and the denominator y is remaining, so we have to multiply here. This gives x square y into c, and from here we can cancel out x to x is cancel out, remaining is x here, so we have to get here sec y by x is equal to xy is xy into c, and we can also write here sec is written as 1 by cos of y by x. Sec is written as 1 by cos of y by x. Here is xy into c. Xy is multiplying here. We can also write here 1 upon of xy cos of y by x is equal to c. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.